If you have a Seagate hard drive to save your favorite music, videos, photos, and other important documents, as you connect the external hard drive to your Mac, it automatically gets detected and appears on the Mac screen. However, sometimes, a Seagate hard drive is not showing up on a Mac even you try to connect it again and again. This video will introduce solutions to fix this error. Why your Seagate hard drive doesn't appear on your Mac screen. The common reasons are physical damages, system corruptions, format issue, or mounting errors. Here are 4 simple checks. Replug your Seagate hard drive. There are many cases where you plug your external Seagate hard drive for the first time. It does not work. It is advised that you must replug your external drive and check for the connection status. Change another USB port or cable. Sometimes faulty USB connection cables and Mac ports are the reason that results in Seagate external hard drive connection failure. Test the Seagate hard drive on a PC. You can test your Seagate external hard drive on another computer. If the hard drive works efficiently on another system, you must check your Mac configuration. If the external hard drive does not work with the points mentioned above, restart your Mac and reconnect the hard drive. Even after executing all the simple solutions, your external Seagate hard drive is not showing up on Mac. Consider the advanced steps and methods listed below to get your hard drive working. Check Finder settings. If your Seagate external drive is not visible on Mac, click Finder settings, go to the General tab, and check the External Disks option. Mount the Seagate hard drive manually. Once an external hard drive is mounted successfully on your Mac, it will appear on your Mac desktop. Go to Disk Utility to check if your Seagate hard drive is mounted. If the Mount button is gray, click on it to mount the disk manually. Check the disk errors on the Seagate hard drive. Open Disk Utility on your Mac, and you can see the First Aid button. Click to run the first aid process on your Seagate hard drive. Once it is finished, click Done. Erase the Seagate hard drive. The incompatible format. Erasing your Seagate hard drive can solve this error. But you should note that erasing a disk will delete all stored data on it. So remember to back up your data before formatting it. Even if you didn't back up your data before formatting the disk, you can use EaseUS Data Recovery software to quickly scan and recover your formatted Seagate disk. Select the Seagate hard drive you have formatted, and click Search for Lost Files. Wait several minutes, and you can use the Type and Path tab to locate the files you want to recover. Click to preview the recoverable files. Click the Recover button, and choose a storage location to save your recovered files. Select your Seagate hard drive, click on the Erase button, and set a new name and format if you want. Click Erase again to confirm the formatting. Finally, your Seagate hard drive can work typically. Subscribe to the EaseUS channel to get more content videos in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a nice day.